Hello everyone. Today we are making a sweet recipe from South Indian cuisine called Poli or Bobbattu or Holige. A soft pillow dough cradling a luscious filling of chana dal, jaggery and a hint of cardamom. Each bite is a dance of textures and flavors, a celebration on your taste buds. We will start by making a dough. Take 2.5 cup of wheat flour, a pinch of salt and almost 1 cup of warm water. Knead a soft dough until it's smooth and very soft. Using the ghee while making the dough will elevate the texture. Mix the dough well until the oil or ghee is absorbed well by the dough and rest it aside for about 20 minutes. Take a cup of chana dal, cook it on a pressure cooker until you get 4 to 5 whistles with 2.5 cups of water in it. Once the dal is cooked, strain the dal, remove the excess water from it and mash it or make it in a blender until it becomes very soft paste. And then take a pan, add the mashed dal and the jaggery powder or jaggery syrup. Mix together, add 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder and cook until it becomes thick enough to make balls. In between, add 1 tablespoon of ghee to make it more tastier. Once it becomes thick enough, switch off the flame and make small dough balls and keep it aside. Now take the dough and divide them into small balls, as many as our stuffing balls. Divide the dough and make it into small balls. Now the filling part. Take a dough ball, flatten it and add our dal stuffing into it and seal the edges, making the edges come to the high and seal and take out the extra one or pack the extra dough and make it into circular ball together and try to roll it evenly. Flatten it gently and roll or tap the dough gently. If you are rolling, roll it to as big as you can. While rolling, do it evenly to distribute the filling evenly throughout the edges. Make all the dough balls like this and keep them ready. Then heat a griddle on medium flame When the pan is hot enough, add 1 spoon ghee and leave the rolled poli into it. You can see the bubbles and turning them to slight brown. Drizzle as much as ghee you want. Cook until it is done evenly on both the sides, including the edges. Flip to the other side and spread more ghee on that side. Once it is cooked, transfer to the serving plate, spread enough ghee on it, and then stack them. Serve with ghee or kesari badam milk. Please do try the recipe at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Thank you for your time. Happy cooking.